Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can make and a thumbnail on Canva. So we start from here. Let's go to find Canva. Here is the Canva. Let's open it. My network is a little bit slow, so it takes a little bit time to open. So here have different kind of designs. uh, you might want to try mobile video, thumbnail, logo, Instagram post, certificate, Facebook post, YouTube channel art, and your story, video, poster, Facebook cover, flyer, resume, photo collage, Instagram story, presentation, card, business card, A4 documents, menu, phone wallpaper, banner, invitation, Instagram reels, and invoice. So here are some recent designs I tried to make on Canva. Instagram post, your story. Let's go to check our YouTube thumbnails. Okay, here are the presentation, some samples over there, logos, photo collages, phone wallpapers, invitations, flyers, A4 documents. Where is my YouTube? I am just trying to find my YouTube. I need to make it. Oh, here we go. I have found YouTube thumbnails, so we are going to see all. If you are making a video on about how to make money, the first one is very attractive. Skincare, skincare. Okay, if you make a day in my life, travel will. How to get profit from tradings. Top 10 tipper. Play with me online. Why is goal setting important? Goal setting is very important. Nighttime skincare. That's good. Food, 5 food for a healthy life. That's amazing if you make videos about foods. My youth, 50 healthy eating tips, how to moisture. I am just looking. Income, great ideas, low investment, 5 best design tools, 25-minute apps, workout, make a donation to make a difference, 5 ways to care your pet, how to make money online. Okay, I am going to try this one. Internet is very slow, so it's taking a lot of time. So how to make money? I'm going to change this picture. Okay, here I can select. I explore the gallery, image, I should find something. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. I am taking a photo from my photos. Okay, let's try this one. QQ image. I have one image from QQ. I wanna use this one. Okay, I'm gonna try this one here. Okay, I can move it here, move it here. Okay, I'll try to make it a little bit bigger. Now it's completely changed. It's actually a very old pic of mine. Now it looks better. Okay, now I change it. This one. Now I can add another picture. Suppose which one? Okay, I check this one. How to cook a fish, yummy fish. Okay, yes, this one looks amazing. Okay, how to make money. I change it. How to eat a healthy how to eat how to try a Chinese fish. Actually, I used to eat this fish when I was in China, so I have left one picture. Okay, then we can change the color. Okay, I can change the color. How to here you can change the color, whatever color you think looks attractive. How about this color? No, green, pinky color. Black, no, black is invisible. White, yeah, now it looks a bit attractive. Okay, now I'm going to download it. We need to download it without watermark, so it's preparing my design. Oh my god, I forget to write how to try a Chinese fish. I need to make a change again. How to edit, how to try Chinese recipe, RECE, Chinese fish recipe. Yeah, now it looks good. I can change it. Yeah, now it's better. I need to download it. Now they're preparing my design. Save to gallery. Okay, done. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe my channel if you think it's good. I hope to see you in next videos. Goodbye.